Question 2. Which figure has at least one acute angle, one obtuse angle, and one right angle? So first we have to look at the definition of the word acute. And acute is any angle less than 90. So that is your small angles that are not open very wide. An obtuse angle is going to be your wide angles. It's a greater than 90-degree angle. And your right angle is going to be a perfect 90 degrees corner. So we're going to go shape by shape, angle by angle, vertex by vertex as we go through this. So let's start right here. And I'm going to draw where our 90-degree angle would be on this one. So this one, when you look at it, since it's smaller, it's within that 90 degrees. This is going to be an acute angle. Now this angle at the top kind of looks like a 90 degrees, but we're not 100% sure. So I'm going to rotate my paper, and I'm going to grab a piece of line paper, and I'm going to line it up right where that vertex meets. And if you look at it, this paper is on the inside, so I'm going to mark our 90-degree angle. So when we look at it, it's wider than that. It's still open bigger. So this would be an obtuse angle. I'm going to turn it back, and this is a small angle. This is where my 90 degrees would be. So this is another acute angle. So this has two acute angles and one obtuse, but no 90-degree, no right angles. All right, let's look at B. Again, straight up would be our acute. So this is going to be an acute because this right here would be a 90-degree angle. This one, I got to take that paper again, and I'm going to line it up right where it would be. I'm going to draw that 90-degree line, and this one is wider than that angle. So this would be obtuse. This one would definitely be acute. I'm going to draw that 90-degree line. And let's check this one. Let's turn my paper. Let's line it up right there on that vertex so it lines up on this line, and I'm going to draw my 90-degree line, and it is still bigger. So this is an obtuse angle. Now our next shape, shape C, happens to be a perfect hexagon. So I really only have to do one of these angles. So I'm going to go ahead and line it up, and I'm going to draw my 90-degree angle. And this is a wide angle. So all of these are going to be obtuse because they are exactly the same. So this one is full of obtuse angles, no acute and no right angles. So I'm going to look right here. Now D is a little different. D is a trapezoid. And this one is that perfect corner. So I have a right angle right here, and I have a right angle right here. This one, if I draw my 90-degree line, shows you that this is an obtuse, and I'm going to draw my 90-degree line here, and it shows you this is acute. So this one has one obtuse, one acute, and two right angles. So it meets our criteria for having at least one acute, one obtuse, and one right angle.